Yes or yes? Okay, is this the English-speaking group one, or is that you? Come on. C, okay. So real estate is all about location, location, location. You know that. Here we are in California. I know why everyone loves it here, because the weather is wonderful. I spoke last night at Lloyd's other group in Ventura County. It was very pretty. It was a nice drive. It only took me 9 days to get there. And 2.5 hours. It was a pretty drive, though. It was very nice. It's a very nice county up there. And, you know, that's why people, there's so many people in California. Just location, location, location. As I said, I'm just one earthquake away from oceanfront property in Colorado. That's why I buy so much there. Because I want to have it there. But it's also not just about location, location, location. It's about financing, financing, financing. Because you can have location up the yazoo, but if you can't finance a property, you can't buy it. Am I right? Right. You have to have money. Now,